If you're watching this video because you're looking for the best affiliate program for beginners, you are in the right place. Inside this video, you're going to learn how to start making daily commissions on autopilot, even if you have zero experience online. Like I said, if you're totally brand new, maybe you just discovered what affiliate marketing even is, the ability to promote products, you're going to learn how to do it. You're going to discover also how you can access a done-for-you, high-converting funnel you can start promoting, ready to go, to follow up with your leads for you. So the fortune is in the follow-up. When you do affiliate marketing, most people won't buy right away. You need to have a website or a funnel in place that will collect your prospects' info, usually an email, and then follow up with them. You're going to be able to access one done for you. And you're also in this video going to discover the simple 3-step formula to make instant $2,000 commissions like clockwork. Now on the screen right here, you can see, hey Garrett, my name's Garrett Berry, right? This was an email to me. You can see, congratulations, you've earned a $2,000 commission. Now these are coming in on a daily basis, and it's not just me. Using the formula you're gonna learn in this video, you can see these people were messaging me that they got results as well. You can see right here, Garrett, my sales have gone up to $500 or more a week. Okay, up 3 more sales, almost too easy. Hey Garrett, I just have to say thank you again. I've already gotten my first 2 sales. Okay, so this formula works. So now what I wanna do is I wanna share with you the 3-step formula, how to access this done for you funnel, and then how you can start to get clicks to that funnel so you can start to make these sales very easily. Okay, so these are the 3 simple steps to receiving instant $2,000 commissions. I'm gonna go step by step inside this video. Now, the first step is we need to create an account inside the program. So we're all using this high ticket affiliate program that will pay instant 2K commissions. So the first step, there's gonna be a link under this video. Now, when you click that link, you should get taken to this page here. What you want to do is click this button and a pop-up will appear, and you want to put in your name and you want to put in your best email. Now, once you click submit, 2 things are going to happen. 1, you will get redirected to a page that looks like this, okay? And 2, you'll receive an email with a link to a 4-day free affiliate marketing crash course. Now, that crash course is going to teach you more about starting affiliate marketing, how to promote, and formulas you can use to make even more money. I highly recommend on your own time you go through that crash course, but to follow this 3-step process, once you are on this page, you want to click this orange button here. And what this will do is this will take you to a page to register with an account inside of the program. You can see this is step number 1. Very simple. Put in your name, your email, create a username, password, just like you've signed up for other accounts online. It's very similar to that. Just go through, and once you've entered your information, once you have started to create your account, you want to click submit. Now, once you click submit, you'll be taken to your back office inside of this program. Now, this program is called E1U Life, and it's very effective. So once you're inside your back office, you want to scroll down on that page and you'll see these different packages you can join. Now they have all these different packages. You can see this black icon that's a lock, okay? That means that, you will not have unlocked it yet if you see that icon. So what you want to do is you want to do step number 2. You want to activate the Vertex Live package. So you want to go back here, and to activate the Vertex Live package, you want to click on Vertex Live, okay? Now, the reason you want to activate specifically the Vertex Live or higher is because that will qualify you to earn these $2,000 commissions. So you need to be at the Vertex Live level or higher to be able to have the ability to earn the $2,000 instant commissions. So this is what I've done. This is what all these other people right here have done as well. So just click on Vertex Live, a pop-up will appear. Now it says activate your package. So to activate Vertex Live, it's actually just a one-time $2,500 payment, okay? There's no monthly fees. You pay that one time by clicking on continue to checkout. And once you do that, you'll get taken to this page, which is the safe and secure checkout form. You simply enter your debit or credit card information. You put your name of the card. You choose the country that credit or debit card is in. And then you just click the orange pay button at the very bottom. Now, once that $2,500 payment goes through, you will have unlocked Vertex Live and the ability to earn these $2,000 commissions. Now, once you do that, okay, once the payment goes through, what happens is the person that you're joining through, okay, so either me or one of my teammates, they will receive that notification that you've joined them, and they are going to send you access to our private Facebook group. Okay, this is our team group for members only. And once you get added to our private Facebook group, at the very top of the group, we have this pinned post here. So our team is the Freedom Family because we're all about helping people achieve time and location freedom and still make a great income online. And you can see that step 1 of this simple fast start guide is access your high converting funnel. So like I said here, when you actually do these 3 steps, you're going to get a done for you funnel. So this link right here shares with you how you can find your done for you funnel so you can just start promoting. Number 2 is how to access your 14-day email series. So you don't have to write the follow-up emails. You don't have to worry about all that. You can just use the high converting pre-written emails that we're using that will start following up with your leads for you. And then number 3, and there's actually 11 fast start steps, okay, that you can go through. Very simple. But number 3 is if you're like most and you're at the Vertex Live level, so when you activate that, you can activate your 200 traffic clicks. So unlike other affiliate programs out there, when you join and you don't know how to start getting clicks to your funnel or to your affiliate link, what we're going to do with my team is when you actually join at that Vertex Live level, as a bonus, you're going to receive 200 clicks of traffic, 200 clicks from real people in top tier countries like United States, Canada, Australia. Real people are going to start clicking on your funnel link. And because you're using the same funnel I'm using, okay, this right here, this is the exact funnel you're going to be able to use, okay? And this converts people incredibly well. So you're going to get access to these pages and the follow-up emails. And again, you're going to have 200 clicks to this link right here that will start going through the process. They'll open that email, they'll go to the order form, they'll decide to buy. Again, maybe while you're hanging out with your friends and family, maybe while you're watching Netflix, whatever you're doing, when they make a buying decision, when they decide to get started, you're going to be able to earn those $2,000 email notifications and commissions. So again, you just want to go through the fast start guide upon joining, get access to these 200 clicks. Now, this is what it's going to basically look like. Just to give you an overview, very simple. You'll get 200 clicks of top tier traffic that will go to your funnel. Okay, it's our high converting funnel with pre-written follow-up emails. Once those 200 clicks go there, a lot of those clicks, a lot of those people will put their email in. When they do, these emails will start following up with your leads for you. Now, what will happen is those leads are going to get sent your E1U Life affiliate link. And what happens is when they do that, a large portion of people that are looking for this information are going to feel a desire, feel an urge to make a buying decision. Okay, they're going to go to the order form, just like, you know, people from around the world, just like beginners, people from all 4 corners that have never done anything like this before, people that are watching a video and making the decision. They're going to go to the link, and when they decide to buy, when they pull out their debit or credit card and they make that purchase feeling incredible, you're going to be able to earn instant paying $2,000 commissions. Meaning, when you make a referral, there's no waiting time. You don't have to wait a week, 2 weeks, up to a month to receive the money. When you make a sale, you get that money fast and easy. Just imagine you're hanging out with your friends and family, maybe at a nice restaurant, you're relaxing, you hear a ding on your phone, you take a second out of the conversation, you look down and you see, congratulations, you just earned another $2,000, right? I'm doing it, our team is doing it, and now you can do it too. Go down to the link below, start the process, okay? You'll get taken here, click this button, put your name and email, follow this simple video tutorial. If you have to watch it a few times, take action, my friend. I think you're going to be blown away at the results you start to create with this simple process. So again, thanks so much for watching, my friend. Go down below, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.